Hello everybody, just checking in on a good old Sunday. Hello. And guess who I got right here? We got Miss Kitty out playing on the grass again. Look at her. Good old Chettle mascot right there. Her pretty little tail, her pretty little coat and everything. Take a look everybody. Look at her, she's so pretty. That's a star right there. That's a star right there, YouTube. That's a star. Look at her. Yeah. Look at that tail, everybody. She's just so happy to see everybody be outside. Look at that. Hey, does that tail remind you of anything? It kind of looks like a raccoon tail, huh? Huh, everybody? Look how ringed it is. She has like a ringed tail like a raccoon. It's really cute. Look at that. That's my baby. Woo! She took right off. Oh, she found a stick. Isn't it normally dogs that are supposed to get a stick, honey? Yeah, I think it's normally the puppies that are supposed to be fetching the sticks, hon. Good job, though. Good job, though. Are we gonna catch it? I had to leave that on just for everybody, so, but on March night I'll still be putting up more shorts as time goes on. Just wanted to say hi, let everybody know we're all doing good here on Sunday, and I hope y'all are doing the same. We'll talk to y'all later.